Hey, what's going on YouTube? Hey, dog lovers out there. Hey, Master of all Bulldogs. We do give you the most honor, respect. But we're gonna talk about dogs, how expensive it is to take care of a dog. Okay, so this is for the heart. You see where it says the projection heartworm test and the parvovirus and the rabies vaccination for 3 years. But that adds up to $133. And this is for the CBC right here. Okay, that was $70 all to itself. But now this is the health certificate for my dog, Beauty. So she does have a health certificate. Okay. Yeah, this is another heartworm. Rabies for after that 3 years was up. So, but anyways, yeah. And this is also what she registered with. I'm not trying to show that ID. I don't have to show that though. So you see where it says mixed breed. So she's a mixed breed. That's the proof I show people. So yep, and this is the license right here. So that's the license. This is for the rabies. So right here. Okay, and then now this right here, this is for fleas and ticks prevention. That was like $60 all to itself. I did have this, the one I just got through with. It was also $60. So yeah, this is for the for fleas and ticks from prevention that will cause heartworms. So okay, so and then I also have the heartworm prevention, which is the pro injection for 6 months. So this is basically all bills. This is how expensive it is to take care of a dog. This is also a rabies certificate. So my dog does have a rabies certificate. Okay. Now this is the wellness exam. All dogs should have this. You see where it says wellness right here? All dogs should have that wellness exam. This is the pro injection right here. The wellness exam and the pro injection heartworms. So, in case people don't know, heartworms is caused by insects, flies, horseflies, mosquitoes, and fleas and ticks, all kind of and other insects. So this pro injection, pro injections. This is real good for that if your dog is living outside. So that's really good for that. And this is also another thing right here. It says canine partners. You can register a mixed breed with this. No, because All American. You see where it says All American dog. That really means mixed breed. All American. So I'm just talking about how expensive it is to take care of a dog. So you can just leave a commitment, say whatever, or say whatever you like. I really don't care. It's expensive to take care of a dog. Dogs do cost a lot of money to take care of. In my next video, I'm going to teach these young boys how to walk their dog. The dog should never walk in front of them. The dog should walk behind or beside you. Because look at these law enforcements and these military dogs. The dogs never walk in front of them. So, you can say whatever.